but it helps.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Oh, he was telling me the guy in the back fucking... Because I told him I used lubrication, alcohol, and I was doing the dryer. Well, it's got different temperatures on the dryer. It's got different temperatures on the dryer, so I put on medium, and I was trying to get it. And he said the guy in the back fucking did it too long, burnt the LCD screen. And I was telling him, we just talked about that.
Yeah. But he had somebody in the back, and they burnt the LCD?
Yep.
Supposed to be experienced.
Oh,
yeah.
Fuck.
Yes, sir. Loads of fun.
It's almost time to go to work.
I know.
You ain't got time to do what all the fuck he said on the phone.
Oh, yeah, I do. I'm going. Because I can hit Walmart just before I get to the storage unit, and then get my stuff from the storage unit on the way back, stop at my friend's, and I've done everything.
Holy shit, what the fuck? What is going on?
What'd you do?
Nothing. It's fucking traffic. Well, I was going down Battlefield, and it's one lane, so that was traffic. And then I turned off on Campbell, and fucking there's more traffic, like fucking an accident or something. So I fucking just did a U in the fucking... I'm gonna keep going down fucking Battlefield. Fuck that. Woo, that was crazy. I did it though. Oh,
so
man.
what did he use anything, or
he used some plastic thing, yeah. And like I said, I think he, even though it's plastic,
yeah, like a plastic spudger.
Yeah, fucking, he still dug into my shit though. I think it was him, because like the thing I think I did was my nail just did a little scratch, I thought, but like I had lubricant on, so I don't know if it was a scratch or if it was just like a mark. But I think he fucking got.
I wonder if somebody bought wireless trends out.
Yeah, it's fucking empty. Like fucking what they had a couple cases fucking empty. He's still got fucking on the wall still cases, and they had a couple tablets. Like it looks fucking downhill, to tell you the truth.